Hi guys, today I have the Sky Viper helicopter that has a built-in camera from Toys R Us. And I'll show it to you from the top and bottom because it's really big. The box is big, but the helicopter isn't as big as I thought it would be. So on the top it says capture incredible aerial photos and videos. And it shows that you can shoot up to 25,000 photos or 30 minutes of video recording. There's quick charge LiPo battery and a 2.4 GHz long range remote. And it also says that you can also do stunts with this. Here is how the helicopter looks, and now I'm going to actually take it out and show you how it actually looks. So I'm actually going to open this on camera, and if you don't want to see me opening it, you could skip it. But some people just want to see exactly what you get in the box, so that's why I'm going to open it on camera today. So this is the helicopter. And the part right over here is actually plastic. You see just a piece of plastic that doesn't feel durable at all. And this is just the bottom. Here are the wings. So this is the helicopter, and now I'm going to take out the remote. So there's some tapes up here which the camera can't see because the box is big. And there's some tapes down here. And the remote should be here. And the instructions and everything else. Try to get this out. So we get the remote. Looks like it's some extra rings and some cables. And then here are our instructions. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this remote and the stuff out of its packing, and then I'll just resume the video. So I got everything out, and it looks like we have some extra wings. And there's this really small screwdriver in here. And then these are some wires, probably to charge it and save the pictures. And here is our remote. It was on and I just turned it off right now. And it says go like that and go like this over here. And this is the flight sensitivity switch, which is shown right over there. We have L and R. We have our controls. Once again, you can see the reflection on my phone. Now I'll just show you the instructions, and then I will put batteries and everything in it, and then I'll fly it. So this is something for Mac users. Nothing on the back. And for right now, I don't have a Mac, so I don't need to worry about that. So now I'll place batteries and everything in the helicopter remotes, and then I will fly it.
Subscribe to TTTT.